Hi everyone, I'm Teacher Kim. Today we're going to be learning the sound of this letter. Do you know what sound it makes? It says ul. Ul. Two words that start with the ul sound are leaf and lamp. Do you hear the ul sound at the beginning of those words? Leaf, lamp. Now let's use our bodies to help us remember the ul sounds. We're going to pretend there's a lamp and we're going to pull a cord to make the lamp turn on and off. We're just going to go ul, 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 ul. Are you ready? Go. Ul, 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 ul. Now let's play our sounds game. Get your pointer fingers ready. I want you to point to the word that starts with ul. Candle, lamp, puppy. Candle, lamp, puppy. Do you hear the ul sound at the beginning? That's right, it's lamp. You did a fantastic job learning your ul sound today. I'll see you next time for the next letter.